Welcome to the channel. What have you been busy with? Today I went to the market and I got myself some hyacinth bulb, and I'm going to show you how to manage these bulbs and how to plant them using hydroponics. First of all, you need a bucket of water. Let me just show you how the hyacinth looks like. This is a hyacinth bulb. It's not an onion. Alright, it's an hyacinth bulb. Okay, I have 6 of them here. They are all of different colors. Oops. Okay, we need to soak and clean the bulbs first before we actually pot them. Okay, I need to put some carbendazim into water when soaking it. Apparently carbendazim is not approved in the States. Yeah, carbendazim, right, is a gray powdery agent that helps to remove fungus. Apparently it is not approved to be used in the US. Okay, it is alright to use on plants like this, flowering plants, but not on vegetables and fruit plants. The 6 of them are of different colors. Would you like to guess what colors I bought? You can write it in the comment below. I'll let it soak for about 15 minutes, and I'm going to prepare a little tray like this. Spray a little my usual concoction of hydroperoxide and alcohol. So make sure I disinfect whatever that I'm going to use later on. Clean them a little in the water. Alright, and you have to take them all out. We don't remove the entire skin of the bulb. Okay, but whatever that seems too wet and already coming off, we can pull it out. Alright, so after taking out 6 of them on the tray, I'm going to let it dry. Alright, we have to put by the windowsill and let it dry for about, say, 20 to 30 minutes depending on the weather. After it has been dried, we can proceed to put them in the vases. Alright, guess the colors I have bought and comment it in the comment boxes below. Okay, while waiting for the bulbs to dry, I'm going to show you 2 types of glasses I have here with me for the hyacinth. Alright, which will fit the bulbs quite perfectly. So this is a kind of vase with a smaller opening on top and a bigger base below. Okay, so that it doesn't drop into the vase. So, and then another one, this is actually just a normal drinking cup, drinking glass. Again, it comes with the hydroponics basket. For smaller bulbs, it will fit into here perfectly. Okay, let's see if they are dried. Here is a pre-mixed solution of hydroperoxide equivalent to about 5 ml to 300 ml of water. I'm going to fill it up here. I'm back with the air-dried bulbs. There are some roots underneath. Just tidy them up. Making sure that the water does not touch the bulb itself. Okay, it's just enough to touch the roots will do. So we are going to okay, one of them just enough for the roots. Do not let it touch the bulb. Okay, we have some that has very short roots. Let's see how it goes. Alright, that's all for today. Remember to love yourself and love your plants. Bye!